You're on.
All right, I'm on top. Okay, Paul Catcher, 43 Buy Land. Our next property I'm very proud of. And if you look behind me, got a beautiful street, beautiful little location. I'm located right where two streets meet on the corner. Real cozy little spot, really nice neighbors. Everybody's great here. I picked a beautiful property. We network negotiated this deal so that it would go down. Now I'm going to be documenting this. You didn't tell me. My hat ain't facing the camera.
Oh,
okay.
there you go.
So anyway, sorry, military. I'm going to be documenting the development of this property. Why that's important to me is because people have told me over the years that they really appreciated watching me do the development. Whereas let's say somebody goes to develop their RV lot. You don't know how they developed it. You really don't know what went into it. You got to trust it. You have to trust it. You can see what I'm doing. It may not be the way you want it done, but at least you know what you're paying for. You know what you're getting. Okay, so in this property, I'm developing this lot from start to finish. Okay. And I'm going to try to go live on this a few times. I'm not ready to show them the culvert. So what I did was, my camera's going this way, and I'm going this way. So I'm trying to, today I had the culvert finished. The culvert's the pipe, the water goes through, you got a ditch in front, great drainage, and you got to put the rock over so you can get the trailers and the dump trucks and everything. You can get going. You got to break into the lot, and so that's where we're at. I'm really stoked. They just finished this morning, and I am going to try. I got a selfie stick on the way. I'm going to try to do the live YouTube on this at some point. You know, if nobody chimes in, it's kind of pointless. But I gotta try it. We gotta get subscribers. You know. Well, no. You know what gets me upset? There's a little 12-year-old Chinese dude on YouTube, got 1.4 million viewers. He plays the guitar like Van Halen. I hate those little suckers. Guy can't play the guitar at all. You know? It's like, how do you get these viewers? If I had 1.4 million, but we have to sell land. I've tried everything. But no, the little kid like this, unbelievable. You little kids are so talented, you know? It's like, what do you got to do to get viewers, right? Hey, tell me to show you my nuts.
Show me your nuts. Whatever. Okay.
I know. Watch, I'll get 1.4 million viewers. Just like, what? I guarantee you. Anyway, check it out. I got the culvert. Look at this. It's beautiful. Beautiful property. Wonderful property. Best property ever. Located on Moonlight. And I'm gonna show you this. The rock was just laid. They just tamped it down. They did everything. This was a more expensive culvert, so I saved you that money. To get right back in the corner here, these ditches were really deep with really good drainage. I'll show you the water flows. You can see the water has great drainage coming from the other end of the subdivision. I believe it goes in that direction somewhat. There's a creek on the other side there. That's really, really awesome. You can see I used double the amount of dirt and road base because it's very deep, and I used double the amount of dirt. This is solid, so you can back your big RV right through here. Over here is my survey stakes and the pole, and look up. What do you see? What do you see? This is money in the bank, guys. I believe the electric company would charge you like somewhere like 500 to 800 bucks just for that transformer. So getting a transformer on the lot line is hard to do. Both the stakes are on the survey markers. So we have the survey for you. And the way I've done this lot, like many other lots, is I wanted the driveway to be as close as I could to that lot line for a reason. Because this is 4,000 square foot lots, you're dealing with a little bit of a smaller space, and I wanted to economize. That means you not only have a backyard, you've got this side yard right here. When you break into this and you clear this ground, all of this, your door is gonna open this way. Sometimes I do the lots down the middle, but I prefer to do it on the right side, so when you open your door, you could build a nice big deck, and you can sit over here. You can go in the backyard. You know, it's really economizing the square footage on a smaller lot. So this is going to be kind of like your side yard up to this point right here. And I also know the neighbors, the immediate neighbors, or the lot owners. Why? I sold those lots next door. Anybody I sell lots to are purely vetted. They're on our side. Wonderful people, kindest people, and they are builders. Are they not builders?
No, they're great.
The person I sold this lot to,
best.
the next 2 lots, are they not builders?
Yep.
Yeah, they built my house. They built my mom's house. Go look at the videos. I have full-on house builders right here. And they live in the subdivision. They're getting ready to do something over there. But you could literally have a shed built, have a deck built. You just call them up and say, Paul sent me. Wonderful, wonderful people from El Salvador. Love Spanish people. My favorite in the whole world. I can say it because my dad's Macedonian. And we're the best people in the world. That's right. You know, it's funny. You never get a racial slur on Macedonians, do you? It's like, you know, it's like nowadays, you're just not important if you don't have something thrown against you. It's like, say something. Anyway, kind of silly, right? Well, there's another redeeming aspect about this property. Not just it's beautiful, not because it's got great drainage, not because it's got the greatest amount of culvert you've ever seen there, but this property has a divider in the back separating you from the other neighbor. It's got a water system that does not go with all these other lots. There's only one place in the subdivision that runs at the back there, and I'm going to take you to the back lot line right now. I'm going to do the glorious walk through the trees. And by the way, if I can walk through, easy clearing. Now, I'm going to do this lot a little bit differently. I'm going to show you what I mean. Come with me. I wanted this driveway to come right aligned it. Right, look, watch. Here's the right side of the lot. I'm right aligning it because I plan on doing my clearing through here. I do not want to clean swipe these properties. I want to leave as many trees and brush as possible. When you come out of the city, I want you to feel like you're nestled in the woods. So that's what my goal is. I'm going to do a little bit differently. I like that wild look. So I'm going to come right through here. I'm going to drop this tree. When I examined the lot, I noticed I had a little clearing right here, which was really nice. See, it looks like it was cleared a long time ago. This will not be a hard lot to clear to lay my pad down. So I might have to take that big tree down, but all this over here, which is your side yard, you see the method to my madness why I did the driveway there. The side yard is going to be over here. I want to leave this. I want to leave it raw. And not to mention, look how easy it is to take this down. You know, I don't want to take down any trees unnecessarily. They're beautiful. It's shaded. And I want to leave it raw. I used to clean swipe all these properties to the back lot line, and people said, Paul, we come from the city, and I find that people like being nestled in the trees. So I'm going to try to come like right through here with my driveway. I'm going to be out here this week doing some chopping and what have you, and then I'm going to have the electric brought in. I'm going to install the pole. When I get done, these are going to be move-on ready lots that I do, and everybody knows that. This is going to be move-on ready. You're going to back in, you're going to hook up. The only thing you're going to have to do is apply for the internet, because I can't do that on an RV lot. It takes them 7 days. You're out there really quick. Now, at the back of the property, this is a big selling point. People often say, Paul, can you get me back there? That's how I sold those lots. They really like it. This is really neat. Come with me. When I tell you I bet the neighbors, there's a neighbor right next door. Love that guy. Patriot, patriot, patriot. One liberal over there. So that's okay. Okay. Very neat. Very cool. You sure that's your lot line? That's our stake, right?
Of course. Mm-hmm.
Okay, of course. All right. Then the other one's going to be just 40 feet that way. There it is. Okay. Now, check this creek out right here. Pretty cool. Okay, this is an easement right back here. Watch this. During the rainy season, you'll have a creek back here. Now, when it's not raining, it's people often take their dogs and walk back there. You can actually take this all the way around and go on a neat little secluded walk with your dog. You know, we always have dogs, so. But this does have water, and it goes all the way to here. It's about 8-9 foot wide of water in the rainy season. And this is a divider. You see the other properties are over there. They don't start till that tree line. So you don't have a neighbor putting a fence up and claiming it's his fence on your back property line. You don't have that. That's pretty cool. And by the way, look at the pitch. Notice you got this height at the back of the lot to look at, and you have that nice ditch at the front. It's the deepest, best water flowing ditch in the subdivision. You got high ground. You got water runoff at the back. You got a great ditch at the front. You're in one of the highest spots in the subdivision, in my opinion. So you can't get a better high and dry lot than this. You really can't. Man, it's quiet back here.
Beautiful. It is.
There's a boat ramp for this subdivision. I will attach a video to that for that boat ramp. The association dues are $25 a month, roughly $250 per year. Okay, your water and sewer are going to run around 140 bucks a month, water and sewer. And what else can I tell you? There is an architectural committee. It's 40 bucks. It's cheap. Send it in.
I think it's 50 bucks now.
But does it matter?
No.
I'm developing the lot for you. Okay, I'm going to go jump through all the hoops. That's why I'm the landmaster. Right, come with me. All right, baby good girl. Let me see that. Oh, there you go. Oh, to give Daddy the camera. And I jump on every opportunity to get her on camera. I'm coming to get you. Yes. And there is the land mistress, often imitated, never duplicated. Canadian trumper. Ooh. Now, you don't think that I would be with a Canadian liberal or whatever. No way. Anyway, as you can see, we're walking through the lot. Very easy clearing, guys. Very easy clearing. Yolette, I'm going to get this lot. I don't want to do this side portion. I want to leave it. I think, look, I want to leave it raw. I mean, anybody can come out here in an hour and cut down this thin stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah. But it'd be nice to sit back here with an RV and to be relatively unseen. Mel is awesome. He's the next one down. Wonderful, wonderful individual. Very intelligent. I think he's a scientist. Very interesting person. I like Mel. He's a very genuine individual, I think. But a wonderful job. Real happy. This week I'm going to get a sign out and everything. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. Good luck on everything you 4, 2, 3. Bye, land. Okay, what does the street look like? There's our lot that we're developing. These are the lots that I sold to the builders. They're wonderful people. Neighbors, nice, neat, and clean. Real nice, neat, and clean. Let me see here. Okay. My customer, he did a great job. I believe he came from California. He's there. I won't give him his privacy. So he's a patriot. That's the only old property, but it's not bad. It's old, but it's not bad. The rest of the street is perfect. So this is one of the really nicer streets in here. You see, I like that. He's got the RV overhang, cute little fence in yard. He went around the tree with the fence. Hey, look at that. There's a flag. It says Squirrel Lives Matter. I love it. You gotta love Texas, guys. Come to Texas. If you're out of state, come to Texas. And of course, there is Mark. Mark is my developer. He does everything. And we're gonna pull in and say hi to Mark, and we're gonna get a load of his chickens.
423byland.com. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our #1 customer here. Absolutely. Let me tell you, this guy's he's a little excited right now because he just bought some land off me. You could say he's a little all shook up. But anyway, Paul Katroff, call me today.
All right. He's watching me, and she's watching the TV. What is wrong with that scenario? I don't get it. She's watching the TV. All right, there we go. Now we're all watching the same great show together. I know. It's his favorite part. Okay, at midnight, I couldn't help myself. I went out to my watermelon patch and I pulled my last watermelon for the season. It's crazy because right over here, they're the big nose. Now, hey, I want to ask you something. Dixie, do you want some of my watermelon?
I'll give you some if you want some, but don't tell mommy, okay? I don't know if you'll like it or not. Sit first. You gotta sit. Come on, man, you gotta sit. 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 That's an obedient bloodhound. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take a piece of this juicy watermelon. I bet you want some with this. Speak. Speak. Oh, come on, speak. Speak. All right. Now listen. Here you go. Do you want to piece that watermelon? Do you want to piece? Oh, that's so good. Oh, yes. Here, I gotta always wipe the rest off. Isn't that pretty good? That's my good girl. Yeah, I like the watermelon. Hey, let's give you another piece. Speak. Speak. Yeah. Not the type of speak that I like, but. Okay. All right. Now, gotta finish this because mommy will kill me. You feeding you sugar. Is that good? Yeah? Hey, do you want another one? One more? I'll give you one more. All right, hold on a second. All right. Here you go, baby girl. That's so good. Anyway.